In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload supplier invoices to Xero. If you're using Xero for managing your business finances, uploading supplier invoices is a task you'll want to master to ensure your records are accurate and up to date. Let's dive right into it. First off, what you'll want to do is log into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, head over to your Xero dashboard. From there, find the top menu and click on Business. In the drop-down that appears, you'll want to select Bills to Pay. This is where you'll manage your incoming supplier bills. Once you're in the Bills to Pay section, look for the option labeled Plus New Bill. Clicking on this option will bring you into the New Bill Creation area. Here, you're ready to upload your invoice file. You can either drag and drop the file directly into the designated upload area, or if you prefer, you can click on Upload Files and select your invoice file directly from your computer. Xero supports a variety of file formats, like PDFs, JPGs, and PNGs, making it versatile for different document types you might receive from suppliers. If you're using tools like HubDoc or Xero's Email to Bills feature, Xero might automatically fill in some details for you. This is a real time saver as Xero can extract information like the supplier's name, the invoice date, and the amounts from the uploaded document. However, don't forget to double check all the details to ensure they're correct. It's important that your information matches what's on the supplier's invoice so everything aligns properly within your records. Now, even though Xero may fill in some information automatically, you'll usually need to enter or adjust several details manually. These include the supplier contact, the date and due date of the invoice, the reference or invoice number, and specific line items. Take note of the description, account, tax rate, and amount for each line item to ensure they are filled in accurately, because mistakes here can impact your financial reporting and tax calculations down the line. Attaching the original file to the bill is optional, but wholeheartedly recommended. Having the original document attached can be a great help if you need to refer back to the original invoice later on for verification or audit purposes. Finally, once everything looks good and you're confident with the details, it's time to save your work. By clicking Save, you secure the information for later review or approval. If you're ready to go ahead and record it as a confirmed bill, you can click Approve. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully uploaded a supplier invoice to Xero. With these steps, managing your finances in Xero becomes a more efficient process and helps keep your business running smoothly.